MEIKO was established in the year 1927 in Offenburg, Germany, and today has over 90 years of expertise in commercial dishwashing solutions for the hospitality industry. MEIKO is a foundation company, and it strives to be a successful global leader in dishwashing technology while treating its customers and employees as its most important asset. MEIKO has established itself as the best-in-class, energy-efficient commercial dishwashing solution provider to the various hospitality and food service segments, such as hotels, restaurants, bars, corporate and industrial staff canteens, hospitals, in-flight catering kitchens, school or university canteens, religious institutions, marine and offshore platforms, and various other areas with commercial food service application. It has a worldwide turnover of 330 million euros with more than 2,000 employees globally. The foundation background helps the company to extensively reinvest its revenues into R&D, which helps MEIKO to continuously innovate and always stay ahead of the competition. MEIKO was one of the first international companies in the food service equipment segment to establish a 100% subsidiary in India in the year 2007. Today, MEIKO in India, which is headquartered in Bangalore, has a strong team of 35 sales and service personnel covering mainly the Indian market and other South Asian countries, such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, the Maldives, Nepal and Bhutan. Out of the 35 employees in India, it has extensively invested in establishing a strong team of 20 factory-trained service engineers strategically located in various metropoles and cities. The newly established Indian head office in Bangalore in the year 2017 has a fully functional experience centre, which allows its first-time or even the repeated customers to experience the various models MEIKO has on offer in India, which enables the customer to decide in a well-informed and educated manner. This experience centre is also used for the in-house training of the service engineers in conjunction with a world-class training centre. The training centre is used for local, regional and international training, where the international and local experienced trainers would train the internal and regional sales and service professionals at a regular interval. Besides the Experience Centre, it also houses a well-equipped Service Centre to carry out repairs or refurbishment of machines and electronic components off-site in a much more controlled environment. The team in India also consists of highly skilled design engineers who work closely with architects, facility planners and direct end customers when it comes to complex dishwashing solutions. To ensure speedy and timely delivery to its local customers, MEIKO maintains stocks of its premium and medium range of machines in India. Besides the factory-trained service professionals, MEIKO in India has heavily invested in the stocking of spare parts to support the 6,000+ MEIKO machines currently operating on the subcontinent. With this combination of service professionals plus spare parts, MEIKO India strives to provide a turnaround time of 4 hours to a maximum of 48 hours, depending on the location of the end customer.
MEIKO, the clean solution.